Welcome to Walsall Classic and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer this 1985 Ford Escort RS Turbo Series 1, finished in diamond white with grey Monza trim and blue piping. 62,000 miles from new, extensive history, loads of old MOTs, original book pack, original service book, confirming the mileage, low ownership, in beautiful condition. It has been restored. It was a period off the road sort of 9 or 10 years ago when the car had done 58,000 miles or so. It's now done 62. Paintwork is beautiful, the panel fit and everything also is wonderful, and the interior is as good as it gets. Now, these things have rocketed in value in the recent times and everything. This one is no exception, you'll be pleased to hear. Looking down the car, you will see the quality and the standard. It is fitted on 195 series tyres, which are a little bit wider than the standard 185s. High quality Michelin Pilot Sports, and if I was being critical, the RS light alloy wheels are just a shade on the dark side, easily rectified should that be desired. Okay, we'll just zoom in on a few little details of the car. Very difficult on a video, but a lot of these cars are tack out there, recently restored. This one is not. The older restoration done very, very nicely. Everything is in the right place. It has been recently serviced, new cam belt and water pump. We'll take you down the road in a few moments after this short video presentation, and we'll also put it up on the ramp so you can have a look underneath it. So there we are, everything is lovely. It is a custom model, so it has got a slide tilt sunroof, central locking and electric windows. The car's got two keys. It's all locks work off one key. It's the original torch key. Looking down the side, you'll just see how nicely finished off this car is. Okay, as we take you in the car, we'll go in the passenger side. The best part about this car are these superb Recaro seats. As I said before, finished in Monza grey cloth with blue piping. Mostly these seats are all saggy and nastily repaired. The bolsters and everything on this is fabulous. The seatbelt, the seats come out as they should do. Another thing you'll notice quite rarely, dashboard is in superb condition, as everything else is on this car. The headlining, black headlining, nice and tight. Sunroof all works. The blind comes across. We've got the original Ford push button radio cassette, standard equipment with the joystick equalizer there, or balancer I should say, with the Fisher C boxes, gear lever, centre console and everything all in lovely condition. Carpets, very difficult to get these carpets to run right because of the nap of the cloth. Deep pile, great condition. Another thing you'll notice, unlike a lot of cars out there, no rust or anything on the seat bases in the back. Same standard. Lovely side cards, lovely seats, seat belts all there, uncut carpet shelf. Just really, really nice. If you want a good car to use, this could be the car for you, because it's just been serviced and whatever. It's not just a trailer queen, it has been used, although sparingly since a restoration. If you look down the door shuts and down the pillars there, just nicely finished off, as are the doors themselves. Loads of wax coming out of the bottom there, good sign. Again, door cards with electric window switch there, all in lovely condition. So there you are. We'll come around to the driver's side. I'll pull it, and then we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, all the locks work off one key. There we'll see the mileage, 62,773. And again, 3-spoke steering wheel. You see the original torch key there, original number plates and the rear window sticker from supplying dealer with the car. Driver's footwell, nicely preserved. Pedal rubbers all good. You know, everything where it should be in here, and it's just superb. Again, look at these condition of these seats, especially the driver's seat, where you'd expect wear on these bolsters, on this crushed velour. Nothing at all. Again, back of the seats, seat belts and everything, superb. Again, down the pillar there, and the door card. There are loads of photos on the website if you can't be bothered to trawl through this video. And finally, under the bonnet, 1.6 litre CVH engine, fuel injected, turbocharged, very, very nicely presented. Bonnet pad there, the bulkhead, battery tray, inner wings and everything. Right, for the purist, this car has not got spot wells, so if you're going to come looking for spot wells, don't bother. Could be put in, I suppose, if you are that anal, but if you want just a superb car that's finished off and detailed beautifully, this one ticks all the boxes. Cost a fortune now to restore these cars. Okay, we have got a bigger intercooler under there. We'll just make you aware of that. And there's the Ford spotlight, so we'll pop it up on the ramp now and let you just have a look underneath it, and then we'll take you down the road. So thanks for looking so far. Just underneath the RS Turbo now, you say older restoration, stood the time, test of time very, very well. There's nothing at all to worry about under here. Attention to detail was quite superb when it was carried out. Suspension, brakes, shock absorbers, everything nicely blacked and everything. Fuel tank and the floor all painted and everything, coming down the sills there. Spot wells still on these sills. I would say there'll be the original items under there. Up towards the engine, front brakes, front suspension there, all nicely blacked. Slight bits of surface rust, nothing at all really. A little bit of a scuff just on that front corner there. Don't see it from top, but obviously quite low, these RS's with the sport suspension and everything. No nasty oil leaks. That's really about all I need to tell you. So we'll drop off the ramp and we'll take you down the road just to see how it behaves on the road. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this lovely Series 1 RS Turbo, just to show you how nice it is on the road. Powerful when the turbo kicks in. Up to top gear now. You can see the steering is dead gauges are working up into temperature gauges sort of halfway up the range there. It's running lovely, it ticks over lovely, starts well from cold. It's very well sorted, this car. It's absolutely super. It's a joy to drive. And everyone stares at you. Just on the lovely Lincolnshire ones, country roads, where the car is probably at its best. Too good to use on the motorway, 100 mile an hour all the time. Just these nice windy roads are perfect for it. Fifth gear, 50 mile an hour, no wobbles, no vibrations. Just ready to use, ready to enjoy. Slightly oversized tyres, good quality tyres make a car. It's the Michelin's probably the best. So how nice is that? If you are interested in a fabulous Series 1 RS Turbo to use, to show, to enjoy, to do whatever you wish, but doesn't need working on, this could be the car for you. Give us a call on 01507 606 725. Have a look at the website with the video of this and also loads of photos, and enjoy and be in touch with you.